Racing wheels may be a little more niche than the best gaming keyboards or gaming mice, but they are a lot more fun. Having the best PC racing wheel for gaming will make a massive difference to your race day setup. While low-end racing wheels might remind you of those old racing arcade games, the best racing wheels will make it feel like you're driving a race car. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel. This racing wheel is officially licensed by Ferrari and Microsoft Xbox One and is a 7/10 replica of the Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel. The wheel is equipped with two red rubber texture grips and metal paddle shifters. Its sensitivity can be adjusted for precise driving. There are 9 replica action buttons, a Manatino, an engine start D-pad, and an Xbox guide button. The wheel and pedal set was inspired by motorsports to ensure ergonomic comfort. Its pedal set features 2 individual adjustable pedals with a wide footrest, and the brake pedal features progressive resistance. It has a central clamping system that provides stability on all desks or tables. Another advantage is that the wheelbase features the bungee cord mechanism, providing linear resistance. Power down straightaways and drift through corners with a T150 force feedback racing wheel from Thrustmaster. It features a 1080-degree force feedback base with immersion touch sense technology, which lets you feel every detail while driving. Its rubber-coated wheel is 11 inches in diameter, ergonomically designed, and has rotation angles set from 270 to 1080 degrees. This racing wheel has 13 action buttons, a D-pad, and 2 all-metal sequential pedal shifters. A large pedal set with wide footrest is included with the wheel, and each pedal's inclination angle and the brake's pedal's progressive resistance can be adjusted. On the other hand, it has a sliding switch for compatibility with both PlayStation 3 and 4 systems, and is compatible with Windows PCs via a downloadable driver through the Thrustmaster website. Get an immersive racing experience with a Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel. It features a 10.24-inch racing wheel covered with hand-stitched leather. The wheel rotates up to 900 degrees and features dual motor force feedback for a realistic driving experience. The throttle, brake, and clutch pedals allow you to accelerate, brake, and change gears with an actual car's feel. Its non-linear brake pedal mimics a pressure-sensitive brake system for a more responsive, accurate braking feel. In addition to the wheel, the G920 also comes with a 3-pedal set. It also provides a rubber foot for hand surfaces and a patented retractable grip system for carpets. Plus, it is compatible with Microsoft Xbox One or Windows PCs and uses a directional pad and Xbox One buttons. However, its powerful dual motor force feedback provides a realistic driving experience by simulating force effects. Enjoy an action-packed racing experience with a TMX force feedback racing wheel from Thrustmaster. This 11-inch Xbox One certified racing wheel has 3 built-in Xbox One buttons and is automatically recognized when plugged in. It features a 900-degree adjustable force feedback base, which lets you feel every detail while racing, such as the road or track's relief, loss of tire grip, braking, bumps, impacts, and more. Combined with 2 wheel-mounted paddle shifters and a large, optimized pedal set, the TMX racing wheel is suitable for racing games. Furthermore, its mixed belt pulley and gear system with a metal ball bearing axle delivers a smoother and quieter operation. On the other hand, to use this system on a Windows PC, you will have to download and install drivers on Thrustmaster's website. Meet up the all-new Thrustmaster T300 RS GT Racing Wheel. This racing wheel and pedal set, officially licensed by Gran Turismo, is designed for PlayStation 4 and is compatible with PlayStation 3 and Windows PCs. It features a metal wheel, reinforced with rubber for a better grip, and a fully adjustable pedal set. To ensure that you get optimal driving experience, the attachment system is robust and versatile, and works with all mounts, such as desktops, tables, cockpits, etc. The reinforced rubber texture on the wheel's entire circumference for better grip. Additionally, its quick release system allows you to switch the racing wheel out with other Thrustmaster products for even more customization. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Logitech G29 gaming racing wheel. It features a 10.24-inch racing wheel covered with hand-stitched leather. The wheel rotates up to 900 degrees and features dual motor force feedback for a realistic driving experience. The throttle, brake, and clutch pedals allow you to accelerate, brake, and change gears with an actual car's feel. Its non-linear brake pedal mimics a pressure-sensitive brake system for a more responsive, accurate braking feel. There are also rubber feet for hard surfaces and a patented retractable grip system for carpets. However, it is compatible with Sony PlayStation 4, Sony PlayStation 3, Mac, and Windows PCs, and has a directional pad, PS4 buttons, a 24-point selection dial, and plus and minus buttons. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.